Chelissa is addicted to TikTok. Addicted to TikTok, she is.
Y'all, I just tried to stitch this damn video. It was a sweet video. It was this boy who said, who checked on you?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are here for a vlog of Easter weekend, and I'm really excited to be vlogging with you guys. I'm gonna try to be better. Noisy here in the back is my mom watching TikTok at the highest level.
Who are you talking to?
Now she wanna act like. So yeah, we're gonna get this weekend vlogged, and it's gonna be fun. You know, we're still in COVID, so interesting to see. You know, I got my dog with me. And yeah, so we're just gonna, I already washed my face. I used Pacifica this weekend, their vitamin C, which was really nice. I'm hoping I don't break out tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna have a really easy weekend, and I'll keep you guys posted. Good morning. My stalker says good morning too. So it is Saturday. It is like 9 in the morning. No matter what time we go to sleep, we cannot sleep all day like we used to. We'll be up like it's up. I'm gonna get out, brush my teeth. Oh, I want to show you guys my nails too. These are press-ons. I'm loving these nails. Last week I had on a different color, and they're from Dippity Cow. I'll leave her information in the description below. She's like really awesome, and she uses Opry nails, it looks like. So if you know what Opry nails are, they're like, and unlike tips, it's the full nail, and you get this actually done like with gel. A lot of Japanese gel places in the city use that. Akiko is one. I can't remember the second place that I go to, but if I think of it, I'll put that in the description below. I think my guy has allergies, or he's just stressed. I feel you, dog. So yeah, today we're going to, I don't even know what we're gonna do today. I definitely need to go to Trader Joe's. Since I don't really have one near me in Brooklyn, it's better for me when I come out here. I go, since fasting ends on Monday, but I think God is telling me that I need to go another 30 to 60 days. So I'm gonna do that. And you know, no meat and anything like that. Trying to stay a little bit stricter and do like a Daniel fast, no alcohol and things like that. So we're gonna continue to do that, see what God has us to do. And today, I know at 2 o'clock I have my B group call. I missed last week because I was here, so this week it should be really good. But yeah, we're gonna do that. Maybe I'll take you guys with me. There is an Ulta by the Trader Joe's, so I'm thinking I might go to Ulta because some new things dropped. I'm trying to wait to go to Sephora because the sale starts I think at the end of next week. So I'm gonna do that when that happens. And then I also need to go to Ulta. I got a couple things I want to get from Ulta so I can record some videos for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna try to be better. I think with vlogging it's really hard because so much goes on. I forget to like record. So I'm definitely gonna try to be better with that for you guys, and you know, take you into the weekend. What are you doing?
Cheese.
Say cheese. It's a video.
Video.
Say happy Saturday. Hats. They're twins.
Birthday.
Not birthday. Saturday.
Good.
Saturday.
Good.
Say, look at me. Jacobin.
Me go mine.
I don't know what that means. Saturday.
Good.
No. 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 Say hi, everybody.
Blankets.
Blankets.
Toys.
All your toys?
Oh, toys.
So this is what we're going to do right now.
Today.
They've taken a shower. We've all brushed our teeth. And we're having a good day. No one's fighting just yet. For all the people who have kids, I pray for you. These are not my kids, but I pray for you because it's a lot. That's my kid right there. Some.
Sissy.
Kids is being bad, man. I'm trash at this vlogging thing, and I said I was gonna be better, but yesterday I really didn't do much. So this is Sunday now. Yesterday you guys like saw the twins. I was with them for a little while. Then I spent a lot of the day out. My mom and my grandmother went to go and get some groceries to cook for today and the fast that I initially started, but like 2 weeks ago, God told me like, yeah, you need to go for more longer. So I'm gonna do that. I definitely cheated and had these candies. I'm not really big on candy, but I had not Starburst. Sour Patch Kids came out with a tropical, and then Warheads came out with sour Warheads. So I definitely tasted a couple of those. I like 1 o'clock in the morning, but other than that, I'm back on it, and we're gonna go and keep pushing for, I don't know if it's gonna be another month or 2. So what I've been doing is the Daniel fast, which the first time I ever did the Daniel fast, it was so hard for me because I was like, what do I eat? But having more education on alkaline, it's really literally the same thing, because alkaline is just food that God has made. So is the Daniel fast is anything that God has made, like that comes from God, pretty much. So it was a little bit simpler, and it's interesting to see that I haven't had meat all year long. Like, usually I eat a more plant-based diet, but there are times where I may have some seafood. I don't really do like chicken, beef. It's mostly this seafood. If my grandmother will make like tilapia or basa, or grandmothers I should say, tilapia, basa, or something, I don't even know. Oh, catfish. I'll do that, but I haven't had anything all year long, and I feel fine. Like I'm taking, I'm on the second part of Dr. Sebi herbs. I showed you guys. The first one I did was from Self Foods, and that was really great, cleansing me out, like using the bathroom morning and night, like all day long. And then the second one, I have 3 different things. This is from Ma'a, which is Dr. Sebi's first wife, which with his daughters, who the sanctuary that they have was named after. So I got their things now. I do think that the Self Food one is a little bit stronger, but I really can't tell because I did do the Self Food first. So I feel like your first initial push of detoxing gets everything out, and then like I was literally getting everything out. Now I feel like I'm at a cleaner state, so like it's more like maintenance. But there's a liquid that I take, Bio 2, because I didn't have Bio 1 already, and then G something. I want to get another one. It's they have a nerve one, and then like your nervous system, cleaning out your nervous system. So I think that is really great, because like I feel like that might help with like anxiety and just like stress overall, just like giving my nerves like a fresh boost. So definitely, if you ever thought about getting a colonic, definitely something that you can look forward to using. Again, I haven't been eating heavy. I literally, some days I don't even really eat. In the beginning, I started like, I don't know if I blogged this, but in the beginning I started with 3-day water fast, and then I did a juice fast, right into a juice fast. So I hadn't had solid product for like a week. After that, I slowly introduced into the Daniel fast, doing just solely Ayurvedic herbs. I'm bloated all day long from just like whatever I'm eating and everything, because in the morning my stomach is so much more flatter. I have my bowel movement, my stomach is flatter, and then I'm like perfect. And then by the end of the day, I see like, okay, like I've gotten a little bit bloated. Maybe I'm not drinking enough water. Maybe I'm not eating enough. So like, you know, your body fills up with all these things. So it's very interesting to see how this is affecting my body. But I'm going to continue to keep going on with this. Today is Resurrection Sunday. So by the time you guys see this, it'll be Thursday. So happy Easter to everyone. Praying that everyone is having a safe, happy Easter. I'm actually in the middle of watching service for CCC. I will be doing a recap for that. So you guys can definitely check out ARB TV. That is my grandfather's new media platform that I'm working on. I am the director of media for that, and I'm really excited for all the things that are happening. Like the team that we're building for that has been really great. My mom is cooking here. My sister just brought some vegan food. My brothers will be here, and I don't think anybody's really coming. My dad is downstairs doing, him and my mom are watching service, and then we're gonna go to my grandmother's house. She's gonna do an Easter egg hunt. So my stepdad is downstairs. Then I'm gonna go to my dad's house and do Easter with them. It's a lot of work. Holidays are a lot of work, and for me, I just want to stay home and do nothing, and I just want to hear the word of God and get to work. I'm washing my face, and I got my mom this. It is the Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Face Mask. Evens out, exfoliates, and cleanses, plus AHA, plus vitamin C and vanilla. I've actually been using this for the past 2 weekends that I've come. Really nice product. I got her the matching, well, she got herself because she paid for it, Glow Baby Vita Glow Face Lotion, and this has vitamin C and vitamin E. I've been using them, and I have no issues with breakouts. I'm actually gonna put the cream on my face now. It's actually kind of thick face moisturizer, but it's really nice. They smell nice. I've never actually used Pacifica products before, so I was like kind of hesitant because I don't want my face to break out, but actually it's been really nice. It's really gentle, and you know, if it has AHA in it, BHA, PHA, I'm down for it. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Look at me recording more and being more proactive. Okay, so I put my lashes on. These are my LASHIFY lashes that I got. So my quick review on these, they're really great. I just am not like lash savvy, so I put them on the first day. They were bomb. I took pictures. They're on my Instagram. Look bomb. So I took them off because they went to my chiropractor and I had to lay down, and they were like peeling up. So I took them off, put them back on. They're not really intended for multiple use, but was able to get them back on. You have to be really delicate because some of them I couldn't use, one because I messed them up, or two because they got like fuzzy around them. So you have to be really delicate. I got the control kit, and that comes with the two gossamers, which I got 14 and 12. Then I got the glues, which is double-sided. The top one's got a white glue and then the black glue, and then the bottom, which is the glass that bonds it together. So that's what I actually sealed it with now. So they're feeling a lot better. I definitely have an issue like fusing them together with the little wand thing, so I need to get better at that. But super easy if you don't know how to use actual lashes. Really easy, and yeah, that's all I can say about them. They're individual strips, so you just put them in there and put them under your lash, and then you fuse it together. So easy on that. I will talk to you guys as I keep going. Just gonna get this cooked a little bit higher. It's a bit of a mess. Find them!
Here, for us.
Okay, so okay, what is this doing? So I finished my face already, and I already recorded 2 videos. So I'm gonna record the last one for a brand that sent me this facial cleaner. So I'm gonna finish that up, and then I'm probably gonna pack my stuff and head back to Brooklyn. It's been real over here. As you can see, there's a lot of people. All that food we got going on. Then the braid shop is over there. Mimi's over there. Sam, you know, I always got my dog with me. So yeah, it's been a good day. It's been great. I'm probably not gonna be back till July, you know. It's good to space things out. I hope everybody had a great Resurrection Sunday. I actually need to call Justin so we can record our little clip from service today. And then today will be wrapped up and go about the week. So it's been really fun, really good, and I'm really excited. Again, for my nails, because I keep getting a lot of questions on Instagram. They're from Dippity Cow. I will tag them in the video below. I almost forgot our star pupil. He's a little shy. Aww. But we'll get him next time, right? Okay guys, so I actually am finally back home. It's like 12 o'clock. I actually been here for a while. I was looking through my TikTok videos and doing some cleaning around. I like to empty out my entire bag before I get home. And I also had to re-dread some of my hair because I did some TikTok videos and I saw that some of them were a little bit fuzzy, so I just re-dreaded some of them, and then we had to go to the Bronx to drop Davion off, so I was a little bit delayed. This is it. I really am loving the way that my makeup looks today, and today was really a quick slop together. My Dior Backstage foundation literally comes through every time, and it looks so good. I do, and definitely probably will need to start getting a color corrector because around my mouth I always find that it's a little bit darker than what I want it to be, so definitely looking into that. But yeah, it was a really great weekend. I'm excited for what's to come for the rest of this year. I'm just really excited for what's to come and all the blessings that God has for me, so I'm excited for that. I never even actually got to record the video with Justin for the recap for Sunday service, but we'll definitely do that tomorrow or sometime this week to get that done. But either way, I hope you guys had an amazing Easter Sunday, Resurrection Sunday with your family, staying safe, COVID free. And I'm just praying for everyone during this season, and that this week really brings on blessings, overwhelming blessings to each and every one of you, and overflowing to next week, that it was so much from this week that it overflows into the weeks to come. So I just pray for you all, and I thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please be sure to give this video a like and to send it to a bunch of your friends, and leave a comment below on some of your favorite things to do on the weekends with all that's going on with COVID, how we're kind of getting back to a kind of new normal. What are you guys interested in doing and looking forward to for the summer? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.